Breaking. No extradition process against Simon Ekpa, says the Attorney General of the Federation, Nigeria. The Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Lateef Fagbemi, has denied reports that the federal government has commenced extradition proceedings against Simon Ekpa, a factional leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra. I made a video a couple of weeks ago telling you that the news making round that Mazi Simon Ekpa will be repatriated back to Nigeria, that it's a fallacy, untrue, and unfounded. In fact, I told you on that video that that news is a lie from the pit of hell. Now, this is coming from the office of the Attorney General of the Federation, confirming on behalf of the federal government of Nigeria that nobody will extradite Simon Ekpa back to Nigeria. In a statement issued by his special assistant on communication and publicity, Kamarudin Ogundele, on Friday, the AGF said the reports misrepresented comments he made at a stakeholders engagement held on Thursday in Abuja. The statement read, "The attention of the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Prince Lateef Fagbemi San, has been drawn to media reports where he was erroneously in parentheses, okay, erroneously on capital letter. So, where he was erroneously reported to have said that the federal government had commenced an extradition process against Simon Ekpa. The report is untrue and a complete departure from what the AGF said at the Stakeholder Citizen Engagement Forum held on Thursday in Abuja." According to the statement, Fagbemi had only explained that the Nigerian government was in talks with Finnish authorities to ensure that Ekpa, who is currently facing trial in Finland, is held accountable for his actions. He reiterated that since the crimes committed by Simon Ekpa were cross-border in nature, the Nigerian government eagerly awaits the outcome of the proposed trial in Finland to have an informed decision on the next step to take, the statement added. Fagbemi urged the media to exercise caution in reporting on the matter and to refrain from publishing speculative claims. Mainstream media of Nigeria, be warned. Mind what you publish against our Obatobi. Mind what you publish about him. I'm just trying to echo the voice of the AGF of Nigeria. Nobody is bringing Mazi Simon Ekpa back to Nigeria. All those people that were jubilating, Naira Land, Oriental Times, Daily Post Nigeria, all those news media that were posting the lies, the unfounded lies, the fallacious lies against Simon Ekpa, that they are bringing him back to Nigeria. Shame, 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 shame. So, my dear brothers and sisters, lovers of Biafra Nation, nobody is extraditing Mazi Simon Ekpa back to Nigeria. Alright? So, all of you that were so happy, saying, they should bring him back, let him go and join Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. How markets? How markets? Okay, so this is exactly what it is. What do you think about this? Are you excited? Please share your thoughts in the comment. Don't forget to smash the like button. Favorite this video, repost it, and share it with everyone contact that you've got. As soon as I get further updates on this, yours truly will definitely bring it your way. This is where I'm going to peg it today until I come your way some other time. See you at the top. You know why? Because the ground is way too crowded. Bye-bye.